This is a brand new 2014 BMW X6. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include BMW Assist, a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a turbocharger, a limited slip differential, skid plates, cornering lights, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a sport-tuned suspension, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a CD player, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, front and rear floor mats, rear curtain airbags, dual power seats, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.